Welcome to our Ice Maker Showdown. Today, we're comparing two fantastic countertop ice makers, the Nugget Ice Maker, known for its chewable nugget ice, and the Aeitto Ice Maker, which produces classic bullet ice. Both machines are priced at $199 and offer unique features that cater to different preferences. Let's dive into the details and see which one comes out on top. The Nugget Ice Maker produces chewable nugget ice, which is soft and perfect for drinks, while the Aeitto Ice Maker creates standard bullet ice, available in two sizes. If you love the texture of nugget ice, the Nugget Ice Maker is the way to go. However, if you prefer versatility with bullet ice, the Aeitto might be your choice. When it comes to daily output, the Nugget Ice Maker leads with an impressive capacity of 35 pounds of ice per day, making it ideal for larger gatherings. In contrast, the Aeitto Ice Maker has a capacity of 26 pounds, which is still respectable, but may not meet the needs of larger parties. If you frequently entertain, the Nugget Ice Maker is likely the better option. In terms of speed, the Aeitto Ice Maker takes the lead, producing its first batch of ice in just 6 minutes, while the Nugget Ice Maker takes approximately 7 minutes. If quick access to ice is a priority for you, the Aeitto Ice Maker may be the better choice. In conclusion, both the Nugget Ice Maker and the Aeitto Ice Maker have their strengths. The Nugget Ice Maker is perfect for those who love chewable ice and need a high daily output, while the Aeitto Ice Maker is great for those who prioritize speed and compactness. Whichever you choose, both machines will serve you well in keeping your drinks cool. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.